Hey everyone, and welcome to the Algebra Dudes. I hope you had a great day at school today. I'm Reginald Samuel, math coach for Dallas Independent School District.
I'm Nadia Ayala, algebra teacher at W.T. White High School. It's great to be here with you guys.
We would love to hear from all Algebra 1 students as we solve tax-type questions. Remember that algebra is over 50% of the 9th and 10th grade tax exam. It's even 40% of the exit level exam. So remember that every problem we solve on the Dudes is a tax-type problem. You may want to hang on to the notes to review for the tax test that's coming up in April.
Teachers, please make sure to fax in the weekly student attendance forms that include the student's name, ID number, grade, and name of the math teacher. Before we get started, let's go over a few housekeeping rules. Please, when you use your telephone to give us a call, turn the TV volume down a bit to avoid the feedback noise. It really hurts our ears.
It really does, guys. Okay, and remember also that cell phones do not work well with the audio equipment. So be sure to use regular phones. Please, no cell phones. I thank you, and our ears definitely thank you.
Also, a lucky caller will win this great gift today, and I've got it right here.
Whoa, where is it?
Here we go.
Woohoo.
Yay.
Uh-oh.
Okay, it is a TI graphing calculator and a LED keychain like the good luck colors. You guys, a calculator. Awesome.
Yeah.
Then at the
really
end of
good.
the school year, we will have a super prize for the lucky caller who is randomly drawn from the prize box. So good luck, everyone.
The number to dial is 972-925-3123. Let's go ahead and get started. But before we get started, guys, I actually said that, but before we get started, I definitely wanted to remind everyone that the Math Olympiad, if you all will go to the Elmo for a second, okay, the Math Olympiad is definitely coming up. It's just a reminder for all of the teachers to get those teams together. And for those of you who cannot read that, Nadia, will you just go ahead and read that bottom line right there for us?
Which part?
Okay, the 30th annual Math Olympiad for secondary students, that's grades 7 through 12, will be held on November the 5th, 2005 at Skyline High School. Okay, registration forms for teams are due on October the 7th, 2005. Okay, that is this Friday, if I'm not mistaken. This Friday, guys, registration forms are due. Also, be sure to fax it to 972-925-3586. Okay, again, that number is 972-925-3586. Okay, as soon as possible. All right, thank you so much. Now we are ready to take some callers. So callers, go ahead and start giving us a call. All right.
Ring, ring.
Ring, ring. Okay, let's go ahead and go to the problems and see what's going on. This week, what are we covering, Nadia?
Okay, we're going to be doing X and Y intercepts through graphing.
Okay.
And an equation and a few word problems. And also, I'm throwing in some review problems too from
Good deal.
maybe a week ago, 2 weeks ago.
Okay, we have a caller out there. Is it Janarius or Denarius?
Janarius.
Janarius. How you doing, Janarius?
I'm all right. How are you?
I'm well. You're calling from Edison, am I correct?
Yes, you are.
Okay, sounds good, man. Well, we're glad you stayed, and we know that you're ready to work a problem because you called first.
Yes, I did.
All righty, here we go. Let's go to work. The problem reads, identify the X and Y intercepts. Okay, so I know you all are dealing with X and Y intercepts this week in Algebra 1, so let's see if you can do that for us.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so let's first do the x-intercept. Okay, what does x-intercept mean? Can you explain that to me?
Where the graph crosses the x.
Good, perfect. When this graph right here, when it hits it right here on the x-axis, good. So what would the y-intercept mean then?
Where the graph crosses the x-axis. Y-axis.
The y-axis, good. So
go.
wherever it hits the x-axis, this would be the x-intercept. Wherever it hits the y-axis, that would be called the y-intercept. Okay, so can you look at this and identify it for me? And go ahead and give it to me as an ordered pair. So what would your x-intercept be here?
The x-intercept is going to be 4, 0.
Good. 4, 0. Perfect. Perfect.
Excellent
I love
job,
that.
Janaris.
Yeah, so make sure that 4 is under the x value. That's why it's called the x-intercept. And what about the y-intercept? What would your y-intercept be?
The y-intercept equals to order pair 0, -2.
0, -2. Great job. Was that hard?
Good job, Janaris.
No, that's real easy.
That was
Real
pretty
easy.
easy. Who's your
Good
teacher over there,
job.
Janaris? Who's your teacher?
Miss Ratcliffe.
Miss Ratcliffe. You tell Miss Ratcliffe we said thanks for staying
Thank you
after
for
with
staying.
you
We
guys.
appreciate it.
About how many students do you all have over there?
9.
About 9 of you all? Okay,
Good.
make sure those other 8 get in there and start calling, all right?
Yes, sir.
All righty. Have a good one, bud. Thanks for calling.
Okay.
All righty.
Okay, he hung up. Okay, that was pretty simple. So
That
that's
was good.
basically what we're doing. We're going to go over a lot of x and y intercepts.
Okay.
Ooh, Nellie from WT White.
Sounds
Okay, hi
good.
Nellie. Hello.
Nellie?
Is Nellie there?
Uh-oh. I don't know if Nellie's there or not. But you know what? While we're waiting on Nellie, it's good to know that, I mean, the x-intercept crosses
The
the
x-axis.
x-axis and the
Good.
y-intercept crosses
The y-axis.
Sounds good. Okay,
Good.
so we definitely are going to look at that from different perspectives, because not only do we need to know that according to a graph, but we also need to look at scenarios, algebraic representations, and even tables,
Yeah.
and see exactly. Okay, so Nellie, where are you?
Nellie.
All right, let's go. Let's go ahead and look at
okay.
another problem. Let's
We need
look
to
at
call back then, okay? Anyone else on the phone? Okay, here we go. So Mr. Samuel's going to help me with this one. This one's a little bit long.
Sounds good. Okay, let's look at this. The problem reads, graph using the table and identify the x and y intercept.
Okay, good. So I'm going to go ahead and number these problems because I have my students. They have to copy every single problem down. Okay, this one's problem number 2. Okay, who's this, Cindy?
Okay, we have Simi.
Oh, Simi. Oh, he's called. Hi, Simi. Or I think he's called.
Yeah.
Hi.
All right.
How you doing?
Fine.
Good. Are you ready to do this problem with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Can you tell just by looking at the table what your x and your y intercepts are going to be? Or do you want me to plot the points first and then we'll look at the graph?
Plot the point.
Okay, we'll do that. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here we go. I'm going to have to scoot this. I'll tell you what the points are, okay? Because, well, we'll do this. We'll do this.
Can
Okay.
you see them both, Simi?
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, I want you to give me the ordered pair, -2, 4. I start from the origin, right?
Yes.
So tell me where to go from here. -2, 4.
To your left.
How many times?
To your left 2 spaces
Okay, good.
and down 4 spaces. I mean up 4 spaces.
It's 4. Okay, here we go. So 4 would be right here.
Good job.
Good. So that's -2 and 4. Okay?
You go to the left again
Okay.
and you go up 3 times.
Right here. Good. This one's -1 and 3. Okay, go on.
You at the origin, so you stay there and
Stay.
you go up 2 times.
Perfect. Here we go. I love how you said origin. 0, 2. Okay, this one.
You go to the right and up 1.
There you go. So this one's 1, 1. Okay.
And then you stay right there and go up 2.
Okay, say that again.
Now you go over 2 and stay there
Over where?
to the right
Over to the
To the
right
right,
and
and stay there.
stay there.
Good
Good,
job,
good.
good
So
job.
this one would be
2, 0. Order pair 2, 0.
okay. Now let's look at this. Zoom in. Okay, you see how there's my line? There's going to be my line there.
Yes.
So now by looking at the graph, can you identify the x-intercept for me, please? What would that equal? And go ahead and give it to me as an ordered pair.
Order pair 2, 0.
Good. 2, 0. Good.
Good job.
And give me the y-intercept as an ordered pair.
Order pair 0, 2.
What was that again?
0, 2.
0, 2. Awesome. Was that hard?
No, ma'am.
No, you did a great job. Thank you for calling.
Good job, Simi.
Yay.
Edison, good job. Edison, good job. Keep calling in. We have Nellie again. We have Nellie from W2 White. Nellie, are you there?
Yes, they clicked on me.
They clicked
How
on you?
rude.
Oh, they didn't mean to. They didn't mean to.
I forgive them.
Yeah, thank you so much. That's such a sweet attitude about the
You're so
situation.
nice.
You're so nice.
Oh, thank you, Nellie. You ready to work this problem,
Of
Nellie?
course.
Okay, sounds good. Let's go to the problem.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
now this is Alicia, right?
Alicia.
Alicia, don't try to say it like I did it. Okay. Alicia begins with $600 and spends a fixed amount each month. The amount of money she has after each month is shown in the graph. After how many months has Alicia spent all of her money?
Okay, did you get that, Nellie?
Sort of.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
So how much money does Alicia start off with?
600.
Good, 600. Okay, so she starts off with 600, right?
Right.
Okay, and then at the end it says, after how many months has Alicia spent all her money? She spent
8 months.
after 8 months. Okay, now I want you, if she begins with $600, there's something special about that point. Can you tell me?
Y-intercept.
Good. This one
job.
right here. And go ahead and give it to me as an ordered pair. Your y-intercept here would be what?
It would be 0,600.
0,600. Good. Because,
Thank you.
yeah, some keywords are like begins, the initial, feeds, starting.
Deposits.
Yeah, deposits. Those are keywords for your y-intercept. Good. Now, what was your, how many months again?
8 months.
8 months. So 8 months is she ran out of money. So there's another special word for this point right here. What is this called?
The x-intercept.
Good. This would be called your x-intercept. Good. So your x-intercept, how would I write that?
8,0.
Okay. And can you give this to me in a sentence? What does this mean?
It means,
What does this ordered pair mean?
what do you mean?
Just tell me what it means after.
Oh, month?
Good. So after 8 months, how much?
You have 0 money.
You have zero
Good
money.
job.
What about right here?
And you start off with 600 because it's at 0. So.
Good. Good, Nellie.
Thank you.
That's it. Let me
Good
give me your
job.
smiley face.
Yay!
Good job, Nellie.
Good, Nellie. Nellie.
Thank you. Say bye, guys.
Bye.
Miss Ayala. Goodbye. You rock, Miss Ayala.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Okay. Who's on the phone?
Okay, we have Ronnie from Thomas Edison.
What number was this? 3?
Yeah.
I
that's
told
all over
myself
the
I
place.
was going to number the problems, but I keep forgetting.
Okay, Ronnie, are you there?
Hi.
Alrighty, you sound like you're amped and ready to work a problem.
Okay, who's this again?
This is Ronnie.
Ronnie?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Hi, Ronnie. What's up?
All right.
You all right?
Yes, ma'am.
So are you pretty good in math or you're in the middle?
Pretty good.
Okay, let me get you a hard one then. Pretty good.
All right.
Okay, here we go.
That's a good problem.
Here we go. Here we go. I love
He
that.
said, hold on. All right, here we go. You ready, Ronnie?
Uh-huh.
The problem reads, what is the x and y intercept of 3x minus 5y equals 15? Use the intercepts to graph. Okay? So we're going to find these intercepts, and you're probably going to do something that you haven't done yet, but I know it's going to be pretty easy to you because you are a great math student.
Okay,
all right?
have you done this before, Ronnie?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'm going to teach it to you, okay?
Uh,
Are you ready?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, look at on the second problem that we did today. Look at my x-intercept right here. It was 2, 0, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me what your y equals when you figure out your x-intercept?
Oh, my y equals x is up, 0 is
0, right? It always equals 0. And then when you find out your y-intercept, what does your x equal?
2.
Say it again.
2 means 0.
There you go. So if you're figuring out the x-intercept, your y equals 0, right?
Mm-hmm.
If you're figuring out your y-intercept, your x equals
0.
0. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to follow what you said, okay? Now, let's do the x-intercept first. So again, if I'm figuring out the x-intercept, what does my y equal?
0.
0. So I'm going to plug in 0 for, what do you think? For
Y.
For y. Okay, can you set it up for me? I'm going to put 3x.
3x minus 5 times 0.
Okay, should equal
15.
15.
Good job.
Okay, now what's 5 times 0, Ronnie?
0.
0. So can I just cross that out? Because it's going to equal 0?
Yes.
Okay, so now tell me what's left over.
3x. 3x equals 15.
3x equals 15. Do you know how to solve for x already?
X equals 5. Well,
And what did you do? How did you get 5?
3 multiplying 5 times 3. Put 5 on both sides of 3.
Put 5 on both sides?
Divide both sides.
Good,
Divide
good.
both
You're going to
sides.
divide both sides by 3. Perfect. So what does x equal then?
X equals 5.
X equals 5. Okay. Can you write that for me as an ordered pair? How would you write it as an ordered pair?
The other pair is a 5 is 0.
Awesome. 5
job.
because that's my x, and 0 because that's what I plugged in for y. Okay, now let's figure out the y-intercept. So when we're going to figure out the y-intercept, what do I plug in for x?
You plug in for X is 0.
Good. So can you set it up for me now again?
3 multiplied by 0
Okay, keep going.
equals,
Oh, keep writing. What's this?
subtraction,
Minus
minus 5y
equals
equals 15.
15. Okay, tell me what I can cross out because it gives me 0.
The 3 multiplied by 0,
Okay, good. That gives me 0. Tell me what's left over.
5 minus 5 times y,
Equals how much?
negative 5 times y equals 15.
Perfect. Now, how do I get y by itself? What do
By dividing
by dividing both
Neg-
sides by
negative 5,
negative 5.
Good job.
So what does my y equal?
negative 3.
Awesome, negative 3. Can you write this as intercept, please, as an ordered pair?
The other pair is 0 and negative 3.
Negative 3. So now I'm going to plot 5, 0 and 0, negative 3, and then that's how I'm going to do it to graph, okay? So
Yeah.
let's do the x-intercept first. If it's 5, 0, tell me where to go from the center.
Alright, first go to the center.
Okay.
And you go up by 5.
Go up 5?
You move to the right.
Yeah, because the x is 5, right? This one's x and this one's y.
Yeah.
So my x is 5. So I'm going to go to 5, and 0 means, am I going to move up or down?
And then you stay.
I'm going to stay. Good. So this
job.
one's 5, 0. Okay, now the other one, 0, negative 3. So tell me where to go from the center.
You just go down.
Go down to
Negative 3.
negative 3. This one is 0, negative 3. Good. So there I have my line. Good.
Excellent job.
That was pretty
Excellent
good for
job.
not doing that before. Awesome. Yay.
Good job, Ronnie.
Thanks.
Excellent
Awesome,
job,
awesome.
man. Thomas Edison, you all are doing a beautiful job. W.T. White, you're doing the same. Everyone else, where are you? We're looking for your calls. We have Ryan from W.T. White on next.
Hi, Miss Ayala.
Hi, Ryan.
Ryan?
Okay.
Hello, Ryan. How are you?
Fine. How are you?
I am well. Who's staying with you all, Ryan?
Miss Burnett.
Miss Barnett. Okay, and how many do you all have?
We have 11.
11. Go ahead. Okay. Good job, W.T. White. Okay, we're ready for the next problem.
Okay, Ryan, here you go.
All righty, Ryan, here. The problem reads, the graph shows the amount paid. I heard some people in the background that kind of got me. They were like, that problem's hard. Okay, here we go, Ryan. The graph shows the amount paid for dues to a golfing club based on the months joined, okay? The dues are made up of an initial fee and a monthly fee, all right? What is the initial fee for the club?
$20.
Okay, no, you're supposed to make it hard, and you're supposed to take a long time and say, I don't know, I don't really know. Nah, but excellent job. Okay, so go ahead, Miss Ayala.
Okay, initial fee. All right. Okay, so what was your initial fee with?
My initial fee was $20.
$20. Okay, what's another word for initial? What do they mean by initial fee?
My wire intercept.
Your y-intercept. Good. So this is the same thing as your y-intercept. So can you give me that as an ordered pair, Ryan, please?
Parentheses, 0, $20.
0, $20. Was that hard, Ryan?
No.
Can we give you a smiley face, okay?
I don't know what they do with the clappers.
Woohoo!
Good job, Ryan.
All right, bye, Miss Ayala.
Bye, Ryan. Okay. I got it.
You rock. You do rock.
Okay.
Okay, we have Julio from Thomas Edison. Julio, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Hi, Julio.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you doing?
Fine.
Welcome to the Algebra Dudes. Are you ready to work a problem, Julio?
Yes, sir.
Sounds good. You sound very formal, and I like that. I like that.
Okay, are you ready, Julio?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Here we go. More X and Y intercepts coming to you.
Here we go. Let's take a look at the problem. The table above lists the X and the Y values for a particular equation. Okay. Based on the table, what is the y-intercept of this equation or of the equation? Okay.
Okay, just by looking at it, what would be the y-intercept? Okay, what did we learn with Ronnie on the other equations? When we're looking for the y-intercept, what does your x always equal?
It always equals 0.
Good. So when we're looking for the y-intercept, the x equals 0, right?
Yes,
When
ma'am.
you're looking for the y-intercept, so where here does it x equal 0?
On the fourth one.
Okay, good. On the right here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this one would be your y-intercept. So tell me what the y-intercept is then.
The ordered pair 0, 4.
0, 4. Good. Now, I didn't ask you for the x-intercept, but when we're looking for the x-intercept, what does the y equal?
0.
The y equals 0. So can you tell me what the x-intercept is then?
Negative 2, 0.
Good. Negative 2, 0. Now, can I just use these 2 points to graph it? Do I have to graph all the points to graph this?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, well, let's go ahead and just graph this by these 2 points, okay? That'll be a little bit faster. So remember the points. It's 0, 4 and negative 2, 0, okay?
Okay.
So here we go. And let me zoom in. Okay. Okay, so our y-intercept was 0, 4. So y-intercept was 0, 4. How do I go from here? 0, 4.
You stay
I
on
stay.
the origin.
Good. And then?
You go 4 times up.
Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is my y-intercept, 0, 4.
Yes.
Okay, now the x-intercept was negative 2, 0. So tell me where to go from here. Negative 2,
2
0.
times to the left.
2 to the left, and then
There.
stay there. So this was your x-intercept, negative 2, 0. Good. Did you all do this week?
Yes.
Awesome. Okay.
Good
So
job.
Julio with a J, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good, Julio.
Is there another way to spell it?
I didn't know. Okay, good, Julio. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Good job, Julio.
Bye.
Good job, Thomas Edison. And we have a first time calling this year school. It's Spruce High School.
Yay!
Hello.
Hey, Spruce High School. You know, this is where I actually
Hello.
do my
Hi.
time. Hello.
How you doing?
Fine. My name is Ashley.
Hi, Ashley.
Hi, Ashley.
So, do you think you're pretty good at math, or?
I'm kind of a sucker in math, but
Ah,
I'm pretty good. I try to do my best.
Okay, sounds good. Who's your teacher, Ashley?
Miss Iron Hunter. But right now it's Miss Hunter.
It's Miss Hunter.
Yes.
Sounds good. Sounds good. And who's staying with you all right now?
Miss Hunter.
Miss Hunter is with you. Okay, you're saying your teacher is Miss Irons, but right now you're with Miss Hunter.
Yes.
Sounds good. Tell Miss Hunter we thank her for staying after school today.
Who says you're welcome and have a wonderful day.
Definitely will. Okay, here we go.
Are
Okay.
you ready?
Here's the problem. Simplify the following expression. Negative 2a to the 5th, b to the 3rd times 3b to the 9th.
Okay. You did this last week, I believe. You should have done it last week. Okay, are you ready, Ashley?
Yes, I am.
Woohoo! Okay, what do you do with the regular numbers? What are you supposed to do with negative 2 and with 3?
Multiply.
Cool. We're going to multiply. So it's negative 2 times 3.
Negative 6.
Negative 6. Perfect. Now, what are we going to do with the exponents or the
And then you're going to add the exponents.
Good job.
Awesome. We're going to add the exponents. So here we go. A. Do we see any other A's over here, though?
No.
Okay, so is there anything I can combine it with then?
No.
No. So what do I put? A to the?
No, we can't see it. Okay.
There you go. So A to the
Third.
Oh.
The fifth power.
A to the fifth, right? Because there's no other A's over here.
I wasn't paying attention, sorry.
That's okay. So A to the fifth. So we already did the A's, right?
Now
we're
to
gonna
the
do
B.
B to the.
Ninth.
We've got
9 plus 3.
9 plus 3. So what's 9 plus 3?
9 plus 3. 12.
12. Awesome. Anything else I can do?
No.
Okay. Let me write your name. How do you spell your name, sweetie?
Ashley. A-S-H-L-E-Y.
Okay, that's
Good job,
awesome,
Ashley.
Ashley.
If you all have noticed, we just found the clappers and we are clapping away. Good job, Ashley, and good job, Spruce High School. Keep calling in.
Okay.
All righty, guys.
Yay. You didn't ask how many people.
I will when they call back. You know, you got to give them 2 times. Okay, here we go. We have Jose from WT White. Jose, are you there?
They're all fake in the back.
No, that's not fake.
You're
That
like,
is real enthusiasm. WT White, it's good to hear from you all again.
Hi, guys. Hi, Jose.
Hi, miss.
How's it? What you doing? I don't know what I'm saying.
Watching TV.
Okay, let me give you a hard one.
Why
Let's
did you
give him
get
a
him a
hard
hard one?
I'm Mexican.
Jose,
Yeah, that's it. Oh, these are
Okay.
too easy.
You're going to be in trouble like Deal.
Huh?
Nothing. Come on, let's go.
Am I going too slow?
Yeah.
I want a harder one. Oh, let's do this.
Okay, that's fine.
Triangle.
Okay.
Here we go. Doo-doop, doo-doop.
Can't see it.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. The base of a triangle has a length of 4a to the 5th b squared. Okay, the height of the triangle is 12a to the 3rd b to the 4th. Find the area of the triangle. Okay, so Jose, you're in Miss Ayala's hands. Go ahead.
Ready? Make sure y'all are copying these problems down.
We are.
Okay. It says find the area. Okay. And we're talking about a triangle. Okay. So can y'all give me the formula for area of a triangle?
Base times height divided by 2.
Base times height divided by 2. Perfect.
Good job.
Okay. So what base did I give you?
4a to the 5th power and b to the 2nd power.
Okay, good. So 4a to the 5th b squared. And then we have to multiply that by my?
Height
Okay, what's the height?
12 to the and a to the 3rd power. And
Okay.
b to the 4th power.
And then what do I have to do to that answer once I multiply it out?
Divided by 2.
Divided by 2. Okay, here we go. Okay, Jose. Ready?
Yes.
Okay, tell me what 12 times 4 is.
48.
Okay. So make sure you're working the problem out and not Nellie, okay? Here we go. So 48. Now, when we're multiplying, what do we do with the exponents?
You add them.
Good. So what's 5 plus 3?
8.
Okay, so a to the
8th power.
8th power. Okay, now let's do the b's. So we've got a squared and we've got a 4 there. So b to the
6.
6. And now what am I supposed to do after that?
Divided by 2.
Okay, now guys, or Jose, excuse me. What am I cutting in half? The 48, the 8 and the 6. What am I dividing by 2?
The 48.
Okay, what about the 8 and the 6?
Oh, I mean the whole thing.
The whole thing? Okay, well, tell me what the answer is. What's 48 divided by 2?
24.
24, good. And then a to what power?
4.
Okay, I love that you said 4. Okay, is it going to be 4?
No, I said 6, miss.
6? No, I heard 4.
No, it's
Yeah,
8.
well, I mean, he's saying because you subtract when you're dividing by.
Okay, am I going to cut the 8 in half? Or just the 48?
Just the 48.
Yes, because this is a big mama number and that's a little bitty one, right? You don't combine them together?
No, you don't.
Okay, you don't put them together. Good.
You don't combine the. Let me get this straight, because when I'm teaching my students, I want to know that the big mama number. You don't combine it with the little mama numbers.
Yes,
Okay,
you don't. Okay,
I got it now.
my students understand me. So it's a to what power?
8.
Perfect. And b to what power?
6.
Okay, good. Awesome.
That's excellent
Okay.
teaching. That's excellent teaching.
Okay, good. I'm going to put your name. Ready, Jose?
Hold on, Jose. I gotta.
You didn't do that for me?
Good, Jose. Thanks for calling.
Good job, Jose.
Woo!
All righty. W2 White, keep calling in. Here we go. We have Bridget from Edison. Bridget, are you there?
Bridget. Who?
Frederick. No,
Frederick.
Oh,
Bridget.
Frederick. Frederick. Hey, my humble apologies, man. I did not know that they said Frederick.
Bridget.
It's my fault. All my fault. So blame me. If you see
Okay.
me, you can kick me in the shins. All righty, here we go. Here is the next problem.
Okay, this is gonna be simple because he called you Bridget. Ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Identify the x and the y intercepts.
Let me zoom it in. We're figuring out the x and the y intercepts. Okay. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Here we go. Okay, what are we counting by for each unit? What is it counting by?
200.
Okay, say it again. I couldn't hear you.
200.
By two. Okay, I was talking to the student. Okay, so 200, 400, go. We're counting by 200s, right? So the x-intercept should cross the x or the y-axis? The x or the y-axis? If we're looking for the x. So is that the vertical one or the horizontal one? I said I did that wrong. Huh?
That's horizontal.
The horizontal. This is horizontal. Okay, here we go. So x-intercept would equal, so is this one right here, right? Like you said?
Yes.
This one right here. Can you write it as an ordered pair for me, please?
X equals 0.
Remember, when you write an ordered pair, it's your x and then your y, right? So what's your x right here?
It's negative 200.
Good, negative 200. And what's your y?
0.
0, good. So I don't know how your teachers make you write it, but I always have my students write it as an ordered pair. Okay, here we go. And the y-intercept is the vertical one, right? Where it crosses on the vertical line. So that would be right here. So we're counting by 200. So what would be the center? What would be right here?
150.
I mean, and you know what? You would be just as correct as if you were to say 100, because I mean,
it's close enough.
Yeah, that's absolutely no.
Because we're counting by 200s, right?
Yes, we are.
So the middle would be 100, right? It would be 0, 100, 200, 300, 400. So my y-intercept would be 100. So can you write the y-intercept as an ordered pair for me, please?
Yes.
Okay, what is your x equal here?
The x equals 0.
0. And what's your
job.
y?
100.
Awesome.
Good job. Good job. He didn't get his smiley face. Give him his smiley face. Frederick,
right
you are going to give the smiley face. Here it comes.
Yeah, smiley face first.
There it is. Aww,
Okay, here we go. I'm going to draw you a creative one. And I think he left me already.
No, Frederick's not gone. Frederick.
He's gone.
Frederick's gone?
Yeah.
Well, Frederick, that's for you, buddy.
Good job.
And
Woo-hoo!
again, Frederick, I apologize. I hate when people call me Regina.
Regina. They call you Regina?
No,
I want to start calling you
no one calls me Regina, but when they were spelling my name. But anyway, okay.
Regina.
Here we go. We have Ashley from Spruce. Ashley, are you there?
Yes,
Ashley, it's good to hear from you again. Ashley, how many people are over there with you?
just me.
Just you by yourself? You know what? We thank you and we applaud you for staying out there by yourself.
Woo!
I actually want to try to do right this year in algebra.
Okay, let me give you a hard one then.
You wanted her to do, she wanted what?
No, don't do that.
You'll be fine, sweetie.
Okay.
I hope.
I don't know. Okay.
She said that she wants to do well this.
Oh, she wants to do. Oh,
Good
yeah,
in
she's
math.
going to do really good. Ashley, you're going to be fine. You're going to be fine. Okay, here's the problem. It costs $25 per year to be a member of a discount warehouse. Okay, once a member, there is a